how to shuffle and index a list in Python. First, from random, we're going to import shuffle. Next, we're going to create a list called team with 6 names for now. After that, we're going to shuffle the team. This will put the names in different order every time you run it, so we'll print team. And as you can see, both times the names are in different orders. Next, we're going to index with a for loop for I, as in index, comma, player, in, and we're going to use enumerate here. What we're going to do is we're going to put the team, and now we're going to start the index at 1 instead of 0 where it normally starts. So if we run this both times, you will see that the names are in different orders and it is indexed.